Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Canon in C on the piano. This beautiful and timeless piece is built upon a simple, repeating four-chord progression. We'll focus on the C major, G major, A minor, and E minor chords as our foundation. To start, it's best to practice the right-hand melody and the left-hand chords independently, building a solid understanding of each part before combining them. Now, let's dive into the right-hand melody. This part is characterized by its flowing, arpeggiated nature, creating a beautiful, continuous sound. It's crucial to focus on achieving smooth and connected transitions between each note. Experiment with different fingerings to find what feels most comfortable and allows for the most fluid movement across the keyboard, ensuring your melody sings beautifully. Next, we'll explore the left hand's role, which provides the essential harmonic foundation and bass line for the piece. It's important to play these bass notes clearly and with a steady, even rhythm, giving the music its grounding. Maintaining a consistent tempo throughout is key, as this stability will perfectly support the flowing melody played by your right hand, creating a harmonious balance. Finally, it's time to bring both hands together. Begin by playing at a very slow, comfortable tempo, ensuring each note is accurate and deliberate. As you gain confidence and muscle memory, gradually increase your playing speed. Remember to listen carefully to the balance between your right-hand melody and left-hand harmony, aiming for a cohesive and expressive performance of Canon in C.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.